The Lord is about to destroy America and everybody in it that ain't right, like He did with the flood, man. So we ain't got time to be. I ain't got time to be going arguing with people, having people in my life that ain't right, and you brothers too, man. Y'all don't have time for this, man. We gotta be repentant. Excuse me. We gotta be repentant and focus on keeping these commandments, focusing on be pleasing in the Lord's sight. I ain't want to deal with that nigga tonight. The nigga showed up to my house though. I'm still a man. You want to talk about fighting me and stuff, but really, man, we don't need to be fighting our brothers, man. All right, so I let the nigga be a hole basically, and when I told him it's an isolated field over there, since you want bad enough to show up to my house, you know, he backed down anyways. I'm glad he did, cause I ain't want to fight my biological brother anyway, cause it's spiritual, man. All right, but I would have to tighten his behind up, you know, for just showing up at my house like that, calling me all out. But I'm glad we ain't even had to take it there, cause he backed down anyway, and I knew I was definitely gonna just fight him right here in front of this apartment building, you know. And plus, we ain't supposed to be fighting each other anyways, man. If people gonna be idiots, man, they gonna have to be idiots by themselves. We need to be worried about be pleasing to the Lord, man. Let the Lord deal with him. All right. I ain't gonna get into all how it started and all that, but let me read that again. But the day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night, in which the heavens shall pass away with a great noise, and the elements shall melt with fervent heat. The earth also and the works that are therein shall be burned up. So the Lord gonna destroy this place at any time. All right. So we gotta be ready and being on point, and gotta have our hearts fixed and be pleasing to Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai, man. All right. We ain't got time to be worrying about these carnal people and these haters that want to hate on us, man. We gotta let them go, man. Let the dead bury the dead. All right. 11. Seeing then that all these things shall be dissolved, what manner of person ought ye to be in all holy conversation and godliness, looking for and hastening unto the coming of the day of Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai, wherein the heavens being on fire shall be dissolved, and the elements shall melt with fervent heat. All right. What manner of person ought we to be? We need to be repenting and be having sin up out of our life by the time the Lord come. And even now, man, not just because when you think the Lord coming, or just eat every day, man. We don't need to be sinning. We need to be keeping the commandments. All right, and fearing before Yahweh and His Son Yahweh Shai. All right, so that we can have a chance of getting out of here if the Lord have mercy on us to deliver us, man. We don't need to be like the world, man, being all carnal and stuff. All right, knowing that it's spirits on these people anyway, man. But I'm gonna go to Matthew, in the book of Matthew once again. Chapter 10, and let's see here. And these women too, man, they'll get at you too. This is Matthew 10:36. And a man's foe shall be they of his own household. All right. All right, hold on. Let me start up. I'm gonna start up at Matthew 10. And 34. Think not that I am come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but a sword. For I am come to set a man at variance against his father, and the daughter against her mother, and the daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law, and a man's foes shall be they of his own household. He that loveth father or mother more than me is not worthy of me, and he that loveth son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. All right. So basically, man, Yahweh Shai gonna divide us from family anyways. Family that ain't right, the Lord gonna divide us from them. And they gonna hate on you. All right. That's why a man's foes gonna be they of his own household anyway. Cause they ain't gonna be right and they gonna be hating on you, man. All right. Here's another one, Matthew 12 and 46. While he yet talked to the people, behold, his mother and his brethren stood without, desiring to speak with him. Then one said unto him, Behold, thy mother and thy brethren stand without, desiring to speak with thee. But he answered and said unto him that told him, Who is my mother and who are my brethren? And he stretched forth his hand toward his disciples and said, Behold, my mother and my brethren. For whosoever shall do the will of my Father which is in heaven, the same is my brother and sister and mother. So dude just bugging out on me tonight, talking about, you my brother, I love you. I told that nigga, you ain't my brother and I don't love you. All right? You know, that's a spirit in the body of what the world knows as to be my brother. You know, that spirit was talking to me from his temple, from my brothers who used to be my brother. All right, talking about you my brother and I love you. Nigga, there's a spirit in your damn temple talking. All right, I told nigga, you ain't my brother. I'm talking to the spirit though. He on the carnal level. I'm talking to that spirit that's talking to me. You ain't my brother and I don't love you, man. That's why I told that nigga tonight. All right. The spirit is going to get in your family members and be trying to come against you, man. All right? But you got to let their ass go cuz they ain't right, man. If they so carnal and so and not seeking the Lord for themselves to know how to get rid of those spirits off of them, man. So they don't be going there with family members, then they just gone, man. They're going to have to bury the dead, man. They don't want to repent, man. All right? Matthew, I'm gonna get Matthew 24. All right, so be expecting these things, brother, man, and it's truth, man. It's all right, though. This is Matthew 24 and 37. But as the days of Noah were, so shall also the coming of the Son of Man be. For as in the days that were before the flood, they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage until the day that Noah entered into the ark, and knew not until the flood came and took them all away. So shall also the coming of the Son of Man be. Then shall two be in the field, the one shall be taken and the other left. All right. I'm going to jump down to 46. Blessed is that servant whom his Lord, when he cometh, shall find so doing. Verily I say unto you, that he shall make him ruler over all his goods. And if that evil servant shall say in his heart, my Lord delay of his coming, and shall begin to smite his fellow servant, and to eat and drink with the drunken, the Lord, and that nigga was drunk tonight. I mean, he was drunk with wine. All right. The Lord of that servant shall come in a day when he looketh not for him, and in an hour that he is not aware of, and shall cut him asunder and appoint him his portion with the hypocrites. There shall be weeping and gnashing of teeth. All right.